Hello community. Today I want to show you an example how to use security options and encryptions for documents. Encryption enables you to securely protect the content of your files from unwanted viewers and against unwanted actions like printing, selecting text, and another. You need to do a few steps. Firstly, run the Visual Studio and create a simple console application. PDF security. Okay. Secondly, using NuGet, let's install the specific component that allows you to set different encryption options and security options. This solution is called document.net. If you don't have access to NuGet, you can download this solution directly from the developer site. Links to the API and sample code in the description for this video. Okay. We need to add new namespaces. Document driving. First of all, let's create a simple document with inscription Hello World. Hello World, font name Verdana, font color is orange. Okay. The next step is adding password protection, encryption algorithm, permissions. User password 12345, encryption algorithm, permissions, printing allowed. Okay. And the last step is saving a document as PDF file. Launch our code sample. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. As the result, you will get the PDF document with security options. Printing allowed. A complete code sample can be found in the description. Thank you.